Gargate Sons is a group providing specialist engineering and design consultancy and services to private, public as well as government organizations, leading to total solutions for safe, environmentally secure and cost-effective infrastructure development. Make it easy is what has been the philosophy for us at Gargate Sons right since the day of inception. Hence, in a world that is growing more interactive and demanding, Gargate Sons understood the needs of the future and geared up with astute planning, top-of-the-line technology, flawless execution, radical innovations, and larger-than-life dreams. We have, in a matter of a decade, earned a reputation as a dynamic team throbbing with passion for excellence in infrastructure development and redevelopment sans parallel. Our country's infrastructure, industrial and housing growth is a story which needs no mention. In order to keep up with this exponential pace of growth, it is often required that the old paves way for the new. It is here that we foresee our strength in the limitations of existing infra companies. Demolitions in deep, unreachable or densely populated, overcrowded areas is where the next big challenge lies. Keeping up our tradition of innovation, we have pioneered the implosive demolition technology in India. Gargate Sons associated with a German company for exchange and technical expertise. Unlike explosion, implosive demolition is a thoroughly researched, tried and tested demolition process which ensures absolute safety to human life and property. It minimizes pollution and reduces the demolition time with a professional approach based on international exposure and experience. They have developed a well-designed system of accurate vibration measurement and termination of steel structures which can be easily recycled. And termination of bricks and masonry. The debris that consists of concrete and bricks, which is then crushed and successfully used as filling material. Material like doors, windows, plumbing and sanitary material which can be reused elsewhere. Controlled blasting using blasting material and machinery of international standards. This expertise shows in the fact that the post-demolition results are predicted based on scientific methodology. Which also allows us to be able to salvage 90% of the demolished material. By putting this material such a good use, dumping of waste besides riverbanks or open grounds is avoided and environmental pollution can be prevented. This technique is extremely useful in pulling down various old structures, including residential, industrial, commercial buildings, bridges, elevated storage reservoirs, chimneys, and many other unsafe structures. Implosion is a scientific technique which involves several steps such as survey of the building to be demolished. This includes study of concrete, steel, number of stories, and the strength of the foundation slab. This is followed by a survey of the structures that surround the building. The points of impact are then decided for the blast, and the valuation of the vibrations is calculated. If zero damage is ensured, only then is the go-ahead for the demolition given. As a protective measure, the above-ground blasting zones or the blasting stories are carefully wrapped in tear-free geotextile and wire netting. A special cushion catches the core and reduces vibration, and the end walls catch the scattered ruins at the time of ground impact. As an extra measure of safety, the buildings in the vicinity are evacuated before demolition. At this time, the traffic in immediate proximity is temporarily redirected. The dust formation after demolition can be reduced significantly by atomization of water. Till now, demolition was a hazardous, cumbersome, unsafe, and an uncertain aspect of redevelopment. But now, Gargate and Sons have harnessed it in a way that is economical, safe, and environment-friendly. The future belongs to those whose infrastructure fulfills their professional needs. If a new thought is on your mind, it has to take shape. So go ahead. The old has played its role, and the new is awaiting its turn in your journey ahead.